Want to turn on and use silent mode on your Apple Watch? It's super easy and you can mute sounds while still getting vibrations for alerts and notifications. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and use the silent mode feature on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Use Control Center. Press the side button on your Apple Watch to open Control Center. Now scroll down, look for the bell icon. Tap it once and your silent mode is on. When silent mode is on, the icon will likely turn red or become highlighted, and you might feel a haptic feedback. Method 2. Through the Settings app. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Sounds and Haptics option. Here you will find Silent Mode feature. Simply toggle it on. Method 3. Using the Apple Watch app on your Apple phone. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Make sure you're in the My Watch tab at the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Simply toggle on the silent mode here. And this is how you can turn on and use the silent mode feature on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye.